Hi friends! Welcome to Asir Jenifer Technical Channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to use PowerClip in CorelDRAW X6 to place an image, or multiple images perfectly inside any objects or frames. Let's see how to use it. Open CorelDRAW X6. Choose New File. Import any image you want to place inside an object. Draw any object. I am drawing a circle. Now click the image and select Effects from the menu bar. There select PowerClip and click Place inside frames. Now a bold arrow appears. Now click the circle with that arrow. Now your image is placed inside the frame. You can make necessary corrections by right-clicking that object and click Edit PowerClip. Make adjustment and then right-click and select Finish editing this level. Thus the image is placed perfectly inside the circle frame. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more FAQ videos.